What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Holy Mukbang. Today we have Dorito chips because we have a Jersey Mike sandwich. Let's get it, y'all. Now, this particular sandwich is tuna. I'm gonna take it out. I have a turkey sandwich, a giant size in the back, to be honest. And I was gonna eat the turkey sandwich, turkey provolone number 7 with extra meat. But I was like, nah, I gotta show tuna some love, okay? Because it's still in the seafood category. All right, you wanna take the first bite? You take the first bite because the way I like to eat my tuna is with peppercini peppers, baby. Woo-wee. This is gonna be good. Take a little bit of that juice, and put it on the tuna. If you haven't tried it like that, you are missing out. You hear me? All right. That's good. This is good. Some days you just want a good tuna sandwich, all right? You want the lettuce, you want the tomatoes, and you want these peppercini peppers. If you don't have peppercini peppers, add like a fresh squeeze of lemon juice to your tuna. Woo! It's gonna be good. And just like I told you, I have a giant size turkey provolone sandwich. And I was like, let me just get a regular tuna. I'm so happy that I decided to eat the tuna on camera. I'll probably do the turkey later, but this right here is real good. Let me know how you guys like to eat your tuna sandwiches. Do you just eat it with the tuna, no tomatoes, no lettuce, no extra red wine vinegar? You know what I'm saying? That sort of stuff. Because I was like, put the works. Add whatever you got to add. Add a little oil, add the oregano, Not the oregano, that's from my turkey, but add the vinegar as well. And I forgot to tell them add banana peppers. But I was like, you know what? I got pepperoni peppers in the refrigerator. That's gonna work just as well. Just as good. You ready for that crunch one more time? I gotta be honest, this was delicious. Hands down, delicious, flavorful. It may not be what you expect to get out of tuna, but when I tell you, it was worth it. It was worth it. I made a good decision. I'll probably hit up the turkey later, but for now, I am satisfied and about to get on up out of here. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share button, and I'll catch you in another mukbang.